I was watching Pokemon with Builder Kitten and Builder Monkey, and they had some Geodudes on, and I was like, you know, I think I can make that into a BrickHead. So I got on my Go Brick Me set and was just starting to play around and futz around, and I kind of like the end result. And the first thing I did was, the Geodudes are just kind of this boulder head. So all I did was build the Brick Me head, the BrickHead's head, and got rid of the body. So this is 4x4 all the way around. And then the next thing I had to do was, their arms are like unnaturally long, so I really wanted to figure out like how to do it. And one of the things, if you look at it, is they're kind of, the upper part of the arm is really small, and they've got these large forearms, kind of like Popeye. So to do that, I did a 2x2 brick, and then I got one of these hinge plates for like the elbows. And I put the hinge plate on the end of the 2x2 brick so it could bend. And then I got another 2x2 brick and put it on top of there to create the arm. And for the fist, I just did the Thanos thing. So what I did was, if you have the BrickHeadz Thanos, I used two 2x2 plates. And then I did one of these 2x1 slopes, and then a cheese wedge slope for the thumb, so it kind of creates the fist. And this is the same technique they use for the Thanos set. So I just put this on top of the 2x2 brick, and then on top of that, I did those two plates and then the slope pieces to create the arm. And then by putting it into here, into the side where you just have those tile pieces, it basically turns this, you know, full brick into the length of two plates. So I really like that effect of kind of short little upper arm and long forearms. But of course I just put that fist upside down because like I said, you want those thumbs on top. But when you're working on a small viewfinder, you don't notice what you do, things like that. But the thumbs on top and the knuckles are here, so you're making a fist like this. And so those are the arms. And then I was kind of just playing around with it, and I was like, okay, well, I could kind of make this like more sloped and ridges, but I thought, you know, why don't I do that next time? This time, let's just keep it a simple BrickHeadz and make an Alolan Geodude. So the Alolan Geodudes, the major difference is they've got hair on top of their head. And so for the hair, I just got these little pins, little 1x1 studs with the pin on top. And to give that effect, if you look at the Alolan Geodudes, they kind of like they have this circle of hair that goes towards the peak. So I just use 5 of these little studs with pins on top. So 4 and then 1 in the front to kind of create that kind of pointed front of the hair look. And then I used this jumper plate up here so I could center it, a regular 2x2 plate in the center, and then a tile plate in the back, because if you kind of look, the Geodude's kind of got like a big old brow and on top of their forehead to give them that tougher look. So that kind of raises it just a little bit. And then in the back, we just nice and smooth because I'm kind of keeping the BrickHead form of this where it's very squared. And then the other thing I did was, you know, you've got the, of course you have the eyes where BrickHeadz normally have, but the Geodudes have those big, dark, kind of eyebrows in the front. And to do that, I got a 1x2 dark gray tile piece. And for the row on the forehead, what I did is I did a 1x4 for the forehead, and then below that, I put 2 jumper plates. And the reason I did that was because these tile pieces are empty in the back. So what you can do is just put the tile piece on those jumper plates, and then you can kind of just fiddle around with them and move them a lot. They've got a lot of movement, so you can just kind of move them until you like how your Geodude eyebrows look. But here's an Alolan Geodude for BrickHeadz, and I'm going to make a regular Geodude that we normally find without the hair, and that one I'm going to try to put more curves on it to make it a little more detailed with the body. But I thought for an Alolan BrickHead, this would be a nice, easy tutorial for most people to do if they're interested in maybe catching them all in BrickHead form.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.